10, a man says that he was drugged and raped by a Hollywood writer and producer. Fox 11's Gina Silva sat down with that man making those claims. And Gina, this guy says that his life was destroyed.
I didn't know why I was naked.
It's the most traumatic experience of his life. This man, who asked us to protect his identity, says in June of 2022, he woke up in the house of Hollywood producer Laurence Andries, disoriented and in a lot of pain.
I felt like I'd been hit by a Mack truck. Like I felt like my entire body was just bulldozed. And so I was still very out of it and confused.
John Doe is an aspiring writer, and Andries was his mentor. But on that one night, John says Andries spiked his drink, took him to his house, and then allegedly raped him.
All I could think of is, this is my friend. Why would he do this?
The 66-year-old producer, who has worked on shows like How to Get Away with Murder, Blue Bloods, and 6 Feet Under, has been charged with sodomy, oral copulation, and sexual penetration while the victim was unconscious by the use of a drug.
My entire life has been destroyed by this. I don't know if I'm ever going to be intimate with a woman again because I feel broken and disgusting.
When it's a male, a heterosexual male who's sexually violated by another male, it's just another layer and a much heavier burden that my client carries.
Sam Dordulian is John Doe's Marcy's law attorney. He's representing him pro bono.
He did all the right things. He acted very quickly. He got to a hospital. They were able to do a rape exam, and there was a lot of evidence.
John Doe is speaking out to warn others.
I have to do everything I can legally, morally, and ethically to ensure that this doesn't happen again.
John Doe believes that there may be other victims, and he's hoping they will come forward. Meanwhile, Andries remains free on a $150,000 bond. His preliminary hearing has been scheduled for April 17th. I'm Gina Silva.